Postgres database. So it is good for small infrastructure. For enterprise level, you must install SQL 2012 SP3, SQL 2014 SP2. Okay, these two databases are supported by vCenter server for Windows operating system. Okay, if you are using virtual appliance, then it will not support these two operating system, and it will support Oracle 11G, Oracle 12C. So for vCenter appliance, SQL is not supported. Oracle and Postgres are supported. Okay, why SQL is not supported? Because virtual appliance is created on Linux, and this SQL is the product of Microsoft. That is why the virtual appliance doesn't support this SQL. You need to use the Oracle database there. And it is having some other components. So as we have discussed, vCenter server has the components like database, and it is having this component as well. vSphere client. This service is introduced with 6.5 and it was developed in HTML5. So what is this service? You can access the vCenter server remotely. Okay. Then we have vSphere ESXi dump controller. What is the use of this service? vCenter server support a tool called ESXi dump controller. Dump controller sends the state of VM kernel memory. That is a code dump to the network server when the system encounters the. So when there is a failure in your network, this dump controller will send the message. Okay, and it is having VMware vSphere 6 log controller. So this service collects the logs of multiple servers and saves on a network server rather than local disk. So it will save the log messages on a server. So using this log messages, you can fix the issues. And it is not saved on the local disk. It will be saved on a network server or remote server, you can say. And it is having some other services like vSphere auto deploy. It allows to deploy any software to multiple hosts. So if you want to deploy a software on multiple ESXi hosts at once, you will use this service. Then we have update manager. So update manager, you can update the patches centrally. So this update manager will update the ESXi host. vSphere auto deploy will install the software. So it can be any software. You can install the software on multiple ESXi hosts together using this vSphere auto deploy. So these are the services